Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a service ticket using your Managed Services Agent directly from your desktop. So to begin, the first thing you will need to know is where to locate your Managed Services Agent. That is down here in the right-hand side of your screen at the bottom in what is called the Systems tray, near your time and date. You might need to click on this little arrow to show any hidden icons, and your screen may look different than mine if you have a different operating system. So you are looking for the OnPar Technologies logo, which is a gray, blue, and orange triangle. Right here is mine, and as you will see, if you hover over it, it actually says OnPar Technologies Support. So by right-clicking on this logo, you are going to get a menu. Simply choose the option for Create Service Ticket. If this is the first time you have used this tool, you will need to type in your email address in the From field. The next thing you will want to do is select an importance for your ticket, so low, normal, high, or emergency. I have made this little cheat sheet that you can read to know when to use each of the importance levels. If you need to pause the video at this time to read them, feel free. The next thing you will want to do is put in a subject. The subject is very critical as it is the first thing we see on our ticket board. So be as descriptive as possible, but try to keep the subject line short. So for example, my Word application opens with an error. Now, down in the body of the box, you will want to put a detailed description of your issue. Be as detailed as you can, and please include anything you have already tried, such as opening and closing the application, rebooting your computer, or any other tricks you have tried to resolve your issue. The next thing you will want to do is put in your contact information. Now, by default, with your email address, we will already know what company you work for and your name, but please include the best phone number to call you back and the best times to call you back, or any times you will be unavailable, such as times you will be in meetings or at lunch. So when we call you back, we have the best chance of getting a hold of you. Now also you will notice the CC or carbon copy box. So you can put anybody else's email address in there that you need to notify, maybe a manager, or if other coworkers in the office are having the same issue, you can put their emails in there as well. Next, as you can see, my subject says my Word application opens with an error. So if you have an error message or something like that you would like to show us, you can click Attach Screenshot. So just make sure that the error message is showing on your screen and click the Attach Screenshot button. As you can see, the box minimized, it took the screenshot, and now it is showing Remove Screenshot. So you know that it's attached. If you need to remove it and take another picture, you can do that as well. So now that you've got all of this information into your ticket, and I'm just going to put test on the end of mine so nobody deletes it, click the send button. This is immediately going to send the ticket to our help desk. You will receive an email within a few minutes letting you know that your ticket went through and giving you your ticket number. Now, as a bonus feature of your logo and your agent, if you come back here and right-click on it again, you will notice that one of the options is View Open Tickets. This will actually take you to our Cloud Services portal. We have recently enabled the feature to be able to sign in with your Office 365 account. So it's going to take you to our csp.onpartech.com browser address, and all you have to do is click Sign in with Microsoft. You will put in your email address and sign in with your normal Office 365 password. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on my email address. My password's already filled in. And now I'm being prompted through my multi-factor authentication to verify that this is me. I have approved myself on the cell phone application, and now it is logging me in. I'm going to click Accept and be brought into the portal. Now from the portal, you can view your open tickets as well as your closed tickets. So I'm going to click on Open Tickets, and as you see, the ticket I just submitted 23 seconds ago is in here. I can click on this and I can look at the timeline, so I can see all of my notes. I can see the details, what time I put it in, here's my ticket number, and other information. And from the timeline, I can type messages directly to the technician that is going to be working on this ticket. So if for any reason you fix your issue, you could put, "Sorry, I resolved the issue, please close." Hit the little arrow, and it sends the message to the technician. Or you could add more notes or more details or ask an approximate ETA for a callback, anything like the information you would need. Feel free to type it into those messages. Now, you can also view closed tickets from here. So if you have any issue that has recurred or was unresolved, you can come back in and find your old ticket, and it will, like I said, have all your notes, tell you when you put it in. And then up here at the top, you will see a little icon that looks like a folder with an arrow. You can click on that icon and it will reopen your ticket. You can then put notes in as to why you reopened it, and that will get you a callback as well. You might also want to go in and put your contact information in that ticket as well to get a callback quicker. So by using the agent, you can now look at opening tickets and viewing your open tickets or closed tickets directly from your desktop without the need for a phone call or an email. This makes it convenient and easy to get the service that you need and as pain-free as possible. So thank you so much for attending today's tutorial, and we hope that you will use this new tool at your disposal. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.